9 traffic rules most drivers forget. A full stop at stop signs, no rolling or creeping, is vital for safety, helping you spot cross traffic and avoid accidents, fines, or fault in a crash. Pedestrians have the right of way at crosswalks, marked or not. Failing to yield risks injuries, legal trouble, and puts vulnerable people in danger. The left lane is for passing, not cruising. Staying there blocks traffic, causes road rage, and can lead to fines. Keep right unless overtaking. When a school bus flashes red lights and extends its stop sign, all traffic must stop. No exceptions unless there's a median. It's the law, and it protects kids crossing the road. Use the 3-second rule. If you reach a landmark less than 3 seconds after the car ahead, you're tailgating. Add more time in bad weather. A no turn on red sign is legally binding. Ignore it and you risk hitting pedestrians, disrupting traffic, or getting fined. If the sign says wait, don't turn. If your wipers are on, your headlights should be too. It's about being seen, not seeing. Low visibility in rain or fog makes this simple habit a legal and life-saving move. Never block intersections. Wait until clear to avoid gridlock, accidents, and blocking emergency vehicles. When traffic lights go out, treat the intersection as a 4-way stop. Stop completely, then proceed in arrival order, yielding to the right if needed. This keeps traffic safe and fair, preventing accidents caused by confusion.